Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions have come in. But more importantly in this video, I'd like to show you how you can join the fastest growing team in wealth step by step. And the reason that's important is by joining our team, you can get into profit fast. You can earn a growing monthly recurring income. And there's also, just by promoting one link, there's multiple income streams to this program. And what we do with our early bird team, we put paying members into your business with our team Rotator and also the spillover, which is part of the compensation plan. And we also give you free training, all the free resources that you need to help you become successful with our team. So first of all, I'm going to show you the proof of commissions. And you'll see this is my account here, Barry Cross. So I'm just going to log in. And you get a free autoresponder at this level with wealth. Excuse me, step by step. I'm going to sign in here. Then you go into more. You see there autoresponder. So you get a free autoresponder. I'm going to go into new genealogy. And this is a matrix. And the power of the matrix is the fast start bonus, the team spillover, and the monthly recurring income that you get as the matrix fills up. I'm going to give you a bit more information on how that works shortly in this video. What you'll see here is just that so far for this month, I've earned $14. And I did a video recently, I'll just show you this here. I did a video recently, this one here, where I earned my first $10, and that was at the end of September. So what you're seeing here, this here is for October. We're on the 2nd of October today, and you get a $10 fast start bonus, and then you start to earn, as long as your members stay a member, then you earn $4 monthly recurring commission on each of the paying members. And what I'm going to do now is just play you a short video that's going to explain the power of this matrix and how you get into profit fast, how you can build multiple income streams. But a growing monthly recurring income is one of the key components to this compensation plan. So I'll hand you over to Frank. He explains it in a lot more detail, and he's going to show you some proof of the power of how this is really a great program and compensation plan. I'll come back to the end. I'll come back to you at the end of this video with some more important information.
Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, founder of On Fire to Retire, and you've landed on our Wealth Step-by-Step Rotator page. Now, Richard Daigle and I have teamed up to help you build your Wealth Step-by-Step downline, and we're using a team rotator. So once you take action on this page, you're going to go to our rotator page. Now, here's a live look at my back office right now. Today is August 19th, Friday, and we're starting this today. And if you haven't looked at this, there's nothing like this. This is amazing. And we're working on phase 1, which is a 3x4 matrix. So the step-by-step, phase 1 is a 3x4, phase 2 is a 3x5, and they each pay $4 a person. So this first one here, when that's filled, you will earn $468 per month in phase 1. And then when you enter phase 2, $20 will come out of your commissions. You will never pay more than $15 a month. Phase 2, you'll get paid on 5 levels, $4 per person, which is a total of $1,440 a month. Then when you're secure in that, phase 3 is a full-blown 3x10, which has an earning potential of, and I hate to even say this, $442,845 per month residual income. Now, if you only did 10% of that, 10% success rate, that's $44,000 a month. With a 5% success rate, that's 95% failure. You're going to make $22,000 a month. Now, we all know that it's not a perfect world. It's not going to feel perfectly, but just to get a piece of the action, a piece of the pie, 1%, a 99% failure rate, which I think is the average for the network marketer, is still $4,400 a month. And that's incredible. And, this rarely, if not ever, happens where you can actually totally fill a matrix, but we're doing it. This is my live back office. This is exactly where we're at right now. My level 1 is full. Level 2 is full. Level 3 is full, and we're filling up level 4. Okay, and you can see that we are, for real, having spillover and putting people under you. So you want to get in this. The early bird catches the worm, so you want to be early. So fill out the form on this page, and you sign up on anybody on this rotator. And once you join one of our members, you click on this link, and it'll take you to here. Okay, and you put your name and email in here, and then it'll ask you to send your referral link, and then you'll be placed in one of these spots here. So there's nothing out there. There's no qualifications. And $15, this was designed for the little guy who is taken advantage of by the gurus. There's no gurus here. It's a level playing field. But you have to be patient. Pay your $15 a month and be patient and wait. Because a seed takes time to grow. You might not see anything for a while. Because what some people don't realize, when you join, okay, you see this. But it started with just me, you know what I mean? I had nobody. So when you start, you have your own matrix. So you're not going to see anybody in it. But I'm giving you a bird's eye view so that you can see what's going on around you. And when your turn comes, it's going to happen for you. Now, if you promote as well, you're going to make it happen faster, because you also get with this, on top of the $4 per person, no matter who put them in, you get a fast start bonus. So I've earned $370 plus. So you can do the math. 9 plus 27 plus 29 times $4 is what I'm going to make next month on this, plus the fast start. So this is a significant income and a low cost, $15 a month. So take action on this page. Join Wealth step by step under one of our early bird team members. Submit your name and email to have your place in the rotator and get in on the action. See you on the inside.
So thank you very much to Frank there for explaining the power of the compensation plan. There will be a link in the description with some more information, and if you'd like to get started, you can join through that link as well. I'll just show you the free team resources that we have as a team to help you become successful with wealth step by step. And what we've got here is these lead capture pages, follow-up messages, and banners. They're all done for you. This is a complete done-for-you system. And we even give you the traffic sources that we all use ourselves to succeed with this program. So everything you need is here to become successful. So here are some of the banners. And we use the Leads Elite platform. And these are the lead capture pages that you can get with our team. And these are all done for you. It's just copy and paste. So you set up a Leads Leap account. It's a free lifetime membership. And then what you'll see here is under this column here, you'll see share code. So these codes I just copy and paste into the back of the Leeds Leap platform. We give you all, see there's a little, says instructions. We give you all the instructions how to set everything up. It's very beginner friendly. If you haven't made your first dollar online yet, then we want to teach you how to be successful with Wealth step by step and start to earn your very first income online. So all the instructions are here, and even the email. So the follow-up messages, you don't have to write any subject lines. You don't have to write any email copy. Everything's done for you. It's all copy and paste. More capture pages in there, and that link there. I'm not going to go into it all today. So everything you need is here. And there's some more banners on this page. Some great banners. All done for you. Just copy and paste. Put your code in, and all linked to you. Team Rotator, so a good variety, setting you apart from other Wealth step-by-step members. So some great banners here with our early bird team. As a thank you for watching this video all the way through today, I'm going to give you a free 7-figure earner blueprint training. It's one that I personally use myself, and there'll be a link in the description that will take you to a training page the same as this. There's no opt-in. You just click the link. It'll take you to this page. And one of my mentors is Jeff Amon. Now, this is Jeff here in the bottom left-hand corner. He quit his job following this blueprint training 6 years ago. He still uses it today. And you can use it to promote Wealth step by step, or you can use it to promote any affiliate offer that you're promoting now or you're going to promote in the future. So there'll be a link in the description with some more information there if you want to follow a blueprint 7-figure earner. Video tutorials, all step-by-step, beginner friendly. So if you're brand new, you can succeed. We're here to help you. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like, because that will help support my YouTube channel. And with the algorithm, that will help more people see this video as well. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see more videos from me. I'm currently doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 750 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about Wealth step by step, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'm also going to put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So there'll be a link in the description where you can get some more information, and if you want to get started today, you can join through that link as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.